Rexburg Police Detective Ray Hermosillo was back on the stand this morning in the Vallow Daybell murder trial. Today, the defense resumed its cross-examination of Hermosillo before the prosecution called more witnesses to the stand. Vallow is the Rexburg mom charged with murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and grand theft in the deaths of her two kids, JJ and Tylee, and her current husband's late wife, Tammy Daybell. So let's get right out to News Channel 7's Shira Matsuzawa, who has been at the courthouse all of last week and this week. And Shira, court has already adjourned for the day. Is that right?
That's correct, Doug, and we'll get to that in just a moment. But that cross-examination happened just one day after that emotional testimony and graphic testimony, if you will, as well as graphic photos. Now, this morning when we arrived at court, we caught up with Larry Woodcock and Kay Woodcock, JJ's grandparents. Take a listen.
We will be here today all day, but we'll be here tomorrow, the next day, next week, and the week after that. So I just want to thank everybody. Other than that, I really can't speak anything of the trial right now, but I am happy to always tell y'all thank you and to thank to everybody out there.
Larry went on to say today is also his 76th birthday. Tylee's aunt, Annie Cushing, was also in the courtroom. Today's cross-examination of Rexburg Police Detective Ray Hermosillo went fairly quickly. Both the defense and prosecution essentially had him clarify some of what he said on the stand yesterday, including what prompted him to get a search warrant to search Vallow's apartment in Rexburg. The prosecution then called Lieutenant Jared Wilmore from the Madison County Jail to the stand. He explained how the Telmate system at the jail works. That's the phone system. During his testimony, he was asked if it was fair to say that he monitored a number of calls between Chad and Lori, in which he responded, yes. The court then also listened to a recording of a phone call between the couple that happened on June 9th of 2020, the same day that law enforcement was searching Chad's property, which is also the same day investigators found the remains of JJ and Tylee. In that call, you can hear Chad telling Lori that law enforcement is seizing stuff. He also says, quote, we'll see what transpires, and for Lori to pray. They told each other that they loved them, and then when Lori asked if she should try and call Chad later, he responded with, you can try. I'll answer if I can. A thumb drive with a video visit from June 24th between Lori's sister, Summer Shiflett, and Lori Vallow was also entered into evidence, as well as a video visit between Lori and her oldest son, Colby Ryan, on August 3rd of 2020. Next, the prosecution called Lieutenant Joseph Powell from the Fremont County Sheriff's Office. He said Gilbert police contacted him about Tammy's death on October 30th. They also requested his assistance in trying to find a Jeep Wrangler, which he says he found at Chad Daybell's home. Lieutenant Powell also talked about how he conducted surveillance on Chad and Lori. The court also saw photos from Tammy's grave and autopsy, and Lieutenant Powell said he was there when her coffin was open and for that autopsy. Now, we took a mid-morning break earlier today, and when we came back from that break, the judge announced that because of unforeseen circumstances, court was adjourned for the rest of the day. Tomorrow it'll resume, and they'll call the next witness. It's unknown who that witness will be. Doug?
An early day today at the Ada County Courthouse. Shira, thank you so much. We'll get all this wrapped up again today on the news at 4.